name is Robert Miller, and I'm the CEO of Kranium Technologies. I'm a real hands-on CEO. You'll see as I give you more of a tour here that I'm very involved in what happens. The facility that we're in right now is a research and development facility. It's a think tank. It's where everything starts. And then once we get into production on it, it'll be moved to a production facility where we'll maybe have 10 or 15 robotic stations that'll be making helmets, and a big fabricating shop that will make the dispensing and vending machines. Right now, they're made in smaller numbers, and they're made in another facility. And I travel between the facilities and between the operations, and I'm involved in most aspects of the company, and even the standard ones such as writing checks and buying insurance and doing payroll, having payroll done, and that sort of thing. So I'm a real hands-on CEO on this particular project. One of the things that we're attempting to do, you see the robot working behind me, and it's a prototype. It's an R&D robotic line. And about close to 100% of the helmets, whether they're bicycle helmets or football helmets or snowboarding helmets or downhill or skateboarding helmets, they're made in China, as are so many other things. And what we would like to do, and what we are going to do, is bring that manufacturing back to the United States using robotic technology. And what our hopes are is that once these things debut into the Walmart stores and other large retailers, that we will get the ear and the eye of the large manufacturers, and where they use a hard, solid EPS plastic in there that doesn't absorb well, we're hoping that we can make custom liners for all of the helmet manufacturers using the robotic technology. We start with special cardboard that we have a large cardboard manufacturer make for us. It has a special cell structure. They will make large sheets of it 4 feet wide or 5 feet wide in a continuous roll and cut it into like 8-foot sections. They then cut it into whatever we prescribe as the size to put the pieces of a single helmet together. And there may be anywhere from 12 to 25 pieces, like a jigsaw puzzle. When we first designed the helmet, we test it by cutting out the pieces on a laser cutter machine. And when we get it dialed in and we get it to pass all the safety tests, then what we do is start die cutting the pieces out of the cardboard, and then the robotic machine will pick the pieces out that's been pre-die cut and assemble it on the robot table. Yes, there is another product that we're developing. We've engineered a pedal assist electric bike, and unlike other electric bikes that either have throttles, that sort of thing, this bicycle is a standard 7-speed touring bike, very light. You cannot see a motor, you cannot see a battery, although it has a battery built into the frame, and it uses new battery technology where you can get on this bicycle, very lightweight. You can ride it all day if you want to, just with the 7 speeds, or you can turn it on and you can select different assist modes like economy, speed, fast, that type of thing. And as you pedal the bike, it'll sense what you need for assistance, and it'll take over and it'll assist you.
Welcome. Please wait for confirmation.